Okay, still this wild moose.
Where's Andy? Get Andy. Andy, where's your pictures?
Sarah's video. This is perfect right here.
Shut up. Oh, that's up there.
Alright.
Oh, that's a good one.
Cool story, bro.
Just catching the color too.
Some of it. Ah, there's a... Itchy. That's cool.
Oh, that's. Oh, yeah.
I can see it from right here.
Yeah.
Then maybe not the colors that well.
Oh, that's cool. Look at these. All of them disintegrate.
Fire! Fire!
Look at that.
Fire!
Oh, cool. Ooh.
You know, I can't put this on YouTube if you're talking. My ears are hurting. I think my ears are bleeding. And my arms are hurting from holding this.
Okay, that wasn't done.
Oh, that's neat.
It started wrecking the colors though.